Okay, don't get scared. Do not get scared. There's a lot of terrific stuff in this part because now we're multiplying, okay? Definitely there are two different ways to multiplying. The districts are gonna run this way, so you know what? I'm gonna run it this way, okay? Of course, your teachers can talk about the FOIL method, but we're gonna be doing the box method because this is what's gonna be happening in Algebra 2. This is the box method, this is the FOIL method. Of course, my geniuses that want to learn the FOIL, definitely learn that on your own time, okay? Okay, let's jump to the back. A little bit of reading, no problem. Consider the ghost tour scenario from the previous topic, the revenue of the business, okay, whatever. Looks wonderful. We got the revenue equals the number of tours times the price to tour. Here we go. 50 times 10x gave me 500x. How did that happen? Let me zoom in. The way that happened is they got 50 times 10. That was 500. That looks good to me. So since it's 500, that's why it's 500. Then we got to see, well, there's only one x right here, no x right here. That's why there's only one x. Here we go. 10 times negative x, which is negative 1. Negative 1 times 10 is negative 10. x1 and x1 give me x2. Here we go. 50 times 100 is 5,000. 100 times negative 1x is negative 100x. Ooh, I don't like the way this looks. So after we do that, we're supposed to be able to see that these are like terms. And as you can see, we have our leading degree. Then we add these bad boys, little 500 minus 100 gives me 400x, which gives me that 400x in our second degree. And then what's left over is 5,000. Now, I did not like this example. This was a big no-no. But we'll talk about it right here. These look a lot nicer to me. Okay? So, let's rock and roll with the first couple examples. Give me 1 second. This chair is going to make me go crazy for sure. Give me 1 second. We'll get a better chair. Apologies. Okay, let's rock and roll. So, first off, we gotta make our box. Now, this box looks pretty cool, but I'll keep it old school because you know I'm old school. There's my box. I'm going to put the first binomial on the top, so 3x plus 2. Okay. Then I'm going to put x minus 4 on the side. X, I'm going to put a 1 already because I know it's 1. Minus 4 is going to go right here with the minus sign because that's a negative number. Next, I'm going to start multiplying, okay? We can put that little multiplication symbol if you want. 3 times 3 is 3. X times x, that's where we're gonna have our laws of exponents, the product rule. x1 times x1 gives me x2. This is gonna be very consistent, so we're gonna get used to just seeing x2 right there on the top. Okay, next, you can go in whatever order. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. x1 times nothing just leaves me x1. Let's do the top. 1x1 times 2. 1 times 2 is 2. x1 times nothing just stays x1. And our last one, negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. And as we can see in this little area, out of these 4 terms, 2 of them have the same exact thing, x1 and x1. And here we add across. Negative 12 plus 2. That's going to give me my middle term. I start with 3x squared. Then I do this guy right here. Box it up. Let's do it real fast. Negative 12 plus 2 gives me negative 10. I love it. Negative 10x. I'll leave the 1 for there. Bring it down right here. Looks good. And then my last part, negative 8. Looks great. Do this one real fast. Definitely ask somebody that's in the room with you guys. I don't want anybody to be missing out on this. This is some great stuff. 1 times 1 is that. X squared automatically. 1 times 5 is 5x because it has 1 5. 1x times negative 5 is negative 5x. 5 times negative 5 is negative 25. We're adding right here 5 plus negative 5. Some of us already knowing that number, but just to double check, 5 plus negative 5 is 0. Since it's 0x, don't worry about it. We got 1x squared minus 25x. This is a special case, but this is my answer. Doing number or letter C. Now, a lot of us don't know this, but the power 2 is saying there's 2 of these, so it's saying this. So it's being repeated twice. 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3. Okay. Then we just rock it out. 2 times 2, 4. X1 and x1 means x2. 2 times 3 is 6, only 1 x1. 2 times 3 is 6 with 1 x1. 3 times 3 is 9. These are brothers and sisters right there. 6 plus 6, 12x1. Boom, boom, boom. 4x squared plus 12x1 plus 9. Terrific. Hopefully it's not extraordinarily fast. You know, let somebody break it down for you. Right here's a little bit larger, going to 3 box. We got 4x squared plus 1x minus 1, 3x minus 7. This one's a little different. It's a lot larger. Don't forget my 1. Don't forget my little 1. 4 times 3, 12x. 2 and 1 gives me 3. Let's do the top row. 3 times 1, 3. x1 gives me x2. 3 times negative 1, negative 3. x1, nothing. x1. 3, 2, 1. Looks like I'm doing good. 4 times negative 7, negative 28. x2, nothing there. Stays x2. As you can see, it's 3, 2, 1. So that means it's 2, 1, nothing. 1, negative 7, negative 7, x1. And negative 7 times negative 7 is positive 7. This is where it's going to get a little crazy. This is an answer. This is an answer. This, you got to add it. This, you got to add it. I made a huge mess, but we're going to be okay. 3 plus negative 28. Oh my gosh. Hopefully you saw that mess because my phone just went berserk. Hopefully you saw that wonderfulness. I'm hoping because I don't want to redo it. 3 plus negative 28, negative 25x squared. Next, negative 3 plus negative 7. 3 plus, oops. Negative 3 plus negative 7, negative 10. And then my final 7. Put a star next to D because that's going to come up for sure. Okay. Dang, a lot of